Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a car rental website on Wix. So the first thing that we should do here is we have to visit the Wix website. Okay, so you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar, just have to type out wix.com. Okay, and as you can see, I am on my Wix Studio since I converted my Wix account to Wix Studio, but it's just same. Okay, so right there, you'd be able to see all of your website. So I'm going to show you the current rental that I have created before. Okay, so this is a current rental website that I have created. So here we have different menus at the top. So when we go to the book online option, okay, so you'd be able to see here now the services that we are offering. So just click on the book online option, and as you can see right here, we have the image, we have the title of the service, and then of course the price of the service. So for this video, of course, I'm going to show you on how to make a website like this. So let's go back to our homepage. Okay, so next we have to go back to our Wix account, and then right there I am on my Wix Studio, but don't worry guys, it's just the same. Okay, so next thing that you should do here is to simply click on the create a new site option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so I have here so many websites that I have created before. So yeah, let's now create our website. So just click on this one and make sure to select this use Wix editor if you are on Wix Studio. Okay, and then right here, just have to bring your ideas to life with AI. So just have to tell them about your site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So if you'd like to use this feature, so you just have to click on Start Chat or Set up without chat. And right here, what type of website do you want to create? Of course, since we are going to create a website about car rental, so you just have to use the search bar and then type out car rental. And then you'll be able to see here different options relating to what your business is all about. So yeah, I am going to select this car rental company and then just click on continue after that. Okay, now that they're preparing your dashboard, just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be directed to this page. Okay, so just a moment. And yeah, right here we have to set up our website. So start setting up your store. So you just have to give your store a name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. So I am going to name this one as Rent Your Car. And then click on continue, or of course you can also skip that part. And then if you do already have an online store, and here what kind of products are you selling, so we are going to select services and then click on continue. And right here, how are you offering your products? So online store, in person, or marketplace and social media. So yeah, just click on continue after that. You're all set, so head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your site. Okay, and then right here, before you proceed creating our website, make sure to set up your payment method. So to do that, just click on the setup payments option and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and right there we have this different payment options. So the availability of the payment options will depend on your region. So my current region right now is Philippines, so I only have this payment option. Now if you would like to use like credit card or debit card for payment method, just have to change your region. For example, USA. So here, just click on choose after that. And as you can see, we have this accept credit or debit card with Wix. So this payment method is available on this region. So just click on continue or connect after that. And here you just have to read this. Payment providers have certain restrictions. To make sure that we connect to the right provider, review the restricted list and answer the questions below. So yeah, do you sell any of the prohibited products or services? So select no, I did not. And then click on accept and continue. And right there, select how customers can pay. So Wix Payments gives your customers the availability to pay online and in person. So if you'd like to include this one, just have to toggle the switch on or off. Okay, so I'm going to turn off this one and I'll allow this payment method only. So yeah, after that, just click on continue. And of course, in order for you to receive payment online, you have to subscribe to a plan or you have to upgrade your site with a business and e-commerce premium plan to start accepting payments with credit and debit card. Okay, so assuming that we are done setting up our payment methods, but those are the steps that you need to follow in order for you to set up your payment method. Now let us start designing our website by clicking on the design set option at the top right. So yeah, how would you like to design your website? So here you can generate a design with AI or customize a template. So we can browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. You can continue with setup for now, of course. So yeah, for this video, we are going to use a template to make your life easier, okay? So here, you just have to pick the website template you love. So here, you just have to use the search bar and search for car rental company or a use specific keywords to find the website that you need for your website, okay? I mean to find the template that is right for your website. So I think this one is good. So when you scroll down, we also have different pages right here. So when you go to the second page, you'll be able to see here more template. So I think I find the best template here on the page one. So yeah, you just have to simply click on the view option after that. And then if you think this website has all of the features that you need, so you just have to simply click on edit this side at the top right of your screen. And then just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they're adding your Wix stores. And right here, the left side, we have the add elements option, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. Now to start customizing this website, we are going to start from changing the color of the background. So let me just zoom it to 100%. So let us click on this background and be able to see this change background options. Just simply click on this one, and yeah, we can change the color of the background, we can change the image, or we can also add here a video background. So for this one, I'm just going to use an image background. So you can upload your own media from your computer, of course, or you can also use media from Wix. So I'm just going to use media from Wix, and then using the search bar at the top, I'm just going to type out a specific keyword to find the great image for your website. So I'm just going to type out cars, and here we have different images that we can use. You just have to find or select the right one for your website. Okay, so let me just have a moment to look for the best one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. After that, just click on change background. Okay, or this one. Yeah, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then the background of your first section will change. Now as you can see, some of the texts are not really visible, so we are going to change the color of this text. So to do that, you just have to simply click on that text and then click on the edit text option, and we have here the color option, and then just have to select the color that we want to use or the color that is appropriate for this text. Okay, so I'm going to change the logo as well, or the vector art, so you can upload your own media right here, or you can also use media from Wix. Okay, so let me just try another one, or cars. So I'm just going to use this simple logo and then click on add to page. Okay, so now that we are done customizing the first section, so you just have to do the same to the rest of your website. Okay, so for example, right here in the About Us section, if you wanted to tell something about your customers or you want them to know about your business, so you just have to type it out right here. And when you scroll down all the way to the bottom, we have here the Find Us section. So here we can type out the details of our business location, and then of course our opening hours. Okay, so for example, since we are on the rental cars company, I am going to change the opening hours, so from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so let me just type it out right here. And then for the schedule or the time, it should be 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. maybe. So yeah, it depends on you guys. Okay, so now that we are done with our opening hours, Here, if you would like to add a form, so you can just click on the section and then click on the edit form option. Okay, and you'd be directed to your dashboard where you have to add all of the details that you need for the form. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. For example, you'd like to ask for their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, and of course, their birthday if you want to. Okay, so we have your first name, last name, email, and phone. After that, just click on save. So just have to close this one, and then right here, what you're going to do now is to click on it, and then click on add to site and go to your editor. Now you'd be directed to the section and just have to add here now the form. Okay, so we have now the form, so let us proceed to the next section. Okay, so here, since we're done with our first page, let's go to the book online section. So to go there, just go to the pages and then go to your services. Okay, so just go to your service page. So just click on the service page and you'd be directed to your service page. So what you're going to do here now is to manage your services. So just click on manage services, and then here you just have to add a new service. So we have here different templates, or you can also start from scratch if you want to. So for this one, I am going to use this 2-hour vehicle rental template. So just click on the edit option. Okay, so now that we're here, we can now change the name of the service details. So this one is 24 hours car rental. Okay, or rental car. Rental vehicle. So just have to use simple words for the title. Then if you'd like to add a tagline and description, you can add that as well. So for the duration, I'm going to customize this one and then put 24 hours right there. And then for the buffer time, maybe I am going to add 20 minutes for this one. And then for the price and payment, so here we have per session. So clients pay for sessions based on the price you set or with a plan. Clients buy membership or package to book sessions with, or per sessions or with a plan. So for this one, I'm just going to use per session, and then the price type, so it should be fixed price, and then the amount. So I'm going to type it right here, 5,000 pesos or $100. Now for the payment preferences, so we have entire amount of the person, entire amount, either online or in person. And then for the location, of course, you just have to set up your location. And then for the assigned staff, so choose the staff members who will offer the service. So I'm going to use staff number 1. And then if you'd like to manage your source for your services, and then if you'd like to add images, like for example, you take pictures about your cars, the details of your car, inside a car, so it will attract more customers. So you just have to click on this plus icon for the service gallery, and then just have to upload media from your computer. So for example, I'm going to use media from Wix. So we are going to find relevant pictures for this gallery. So yeah, after selecting your image, you just have to simply click on update or save. So now that we are done customizing or adding all of the details for our service, what we're going to do now is to change the image. So this is our image or the cover page, I think. So yeah, to change this one, we are going to change the visibility first. Okay, so to do that, just have to go to the background option. That's right, and then right here, you have to set the opacity to 0. Okay, so to do that, just have to simply click on this icon right here and just have to set this one to 0, and then here just have to add the plus icon to add your own image. So yeah, you can now upload media from your computer or use media from Wix as well. And then after selecting your image, you will then just have to click on choose file option at the bottom right of our screen. So I'm going to use this image for this example. And then after that, you just have to click on the save option at the top right of your screen. So if this image will not going to appear, just have to go back here and then adjust the opacity. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, just click on save again, and then just have to close this section. Okay, so now that we are done, let's go back and then publish our website. To start taking booking online, you have to set up your payment method, of course, and then update your business to a premium plan. Okay, now just click on publish after that, and right here, be able to see our service. Okay, or the service that we are offering. So when we click on the visit site option, we'd be directed to that website. Okay, so as you can see, this is not available yet. So yeah, let's go back right here and then try to view this website. So we can click on this one and then we have to make sure that this one is visible. Okay, so let us try to preview this one. Okay, so we can click on the book now option. So when you clicked on preview and clicked on the book now option, as you can see right here, we have our title, our date and time, the availability, and then of course the price and the other details for this service.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.